My name is Mr. Rishal and I am the PMEC teacher at Wainimakutu College. I really enjoyed the Drua workshop as I was the only Indian teacher there. Really learned a lot and can't wait to go back and apply the skills on the players back at Wainimakutu College.
Really been here. Just really happy and blessed to see the young ones from remote schools in the interior of Vitilevu come out here and play some rugby. Grow up, I didn't have this opportunity. As we all know, many rugby stars came from the remote villages in Fiji. We never know, we might see some of the young ones, next Drua star. So, pinaka to the Fijian Drua.
My name is Master Pendrung. I serve in the village of Wainimakutu. It was an opportunity for us to come and showcase our local talent from the remote areas of Fiji. We have been playing, but not like this. This talent was just hidden in the forest. But to be given an opportunity to come and showcase down here, we thank the Drua to be able to come up there and allow the opportunity for Wainimakutu to come down and participate. A big winaka vakalip.
Congratulations to everybody for participating here today. Thank you so much for all your time, energy and commitment over the last week. I know the Drua Foundation has been really excited to get up into the furthest reaches of the Highlands. The way you played today, you did everything out on the field. And I also say a huge thank you to families, to all of the Gavale on the stands, to all of the teachers, to all of the coaches. Thank you for investing in your children on behalf of the Drua Foundation as well. I think thank you for investing in the future of Fiji's rugby. I would be remiss if I didn't also mention that it's the opening of the Women's Rugby World Cup this weekend. And I expect to see some of the people in this crowd in that tournament in the years to come. So, congratulations and well done everyone.